Hi, I'm Anbu. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a hut using artist in code.org. For that, I have an artist here and I have divided the hut making into two videos, that is, background making and hut making. Today, we are going to see how to make the background for the hut. For that, we will first go to brushes, set color to light blue or dark light blue, and the sky color is set. Now go to action. Uh, this block jump to top left itself, and now go to loops. Get this block and to 14 times. Go to brushes, set width. Before the loop, we have to give is 150, 20, and go to actions, move forward block by 400 pixel, go to action, turn right by 90 degree. Now go to action, move forward by 15, not 50, 15 pixel. Now again go to action, move forward block and move forward. Go to turn right by 90 degree, and now go to action. Again move forward by 400. Go to action. Turn left now, not turn right by 90 degree. And go to action. Move forward by 15. Go to action. Turn left by 90. Now our background is set. Now go to action and again bring this block, make it to bottom left, and now go to brushes, take this block, keep it and make it green, and go to brushes, this one you have to take set width to 30, and go to action, move forward by 4, not 400, 390. Go to action, turn right by 90, not turn right, it will be turn left. Go to action, move forward, and set width you can make 50 pixel, and in the move forward by 25 pixel, and go to action, turn right, not turn right, make it left by 90. Go to action, move forward 400 pixel, and make this move forward by 25 pixels, uh, larger, 35, then not, not 50 you make, yes, now it's okay, yes. Today our background is done, and tomorrow I will meet you with how to make the heart in artist using code.org. Bye for now.